Hi, my name is Roberta Sportavella, and I'm going to read the book Professional English in the Hills of Medicine, Part 5, 6, and 7. The teacher is Sabino Morla, section is 32, and the subject is English Technical Salute 2. This is the book. Okay. Medical practitioners of equality. For your degree in medicine, they must also be registers, including the General Medical Council list or register, in order to practice unit testing. A doctor who tries patients as opposed to one who only does research is called a clinician. A doctor who provides primary care for patients is known as a general practitioner, GP, or family doctors. GPS usually work in a group practice. Large group practice work involving a health center. Note: in Britain English, the verb is spelled practice, and the noun is spelled practice. Part B. Specialties. Specialist doctor, for example, pediatrician, generally work in hospitals. However, those who work outside the NHS, providing private health care, may have consulting rooms outside a hospital, for example, in the famous Harley Street in London. The two main branches of medicine are surgery and internal medicine, and the doctors who practice these branches are called surgeons and physicians, respectively. In Britain, male surgeons are addressed as Mr. and females as Miss. So Dr. Smith is a physician and the Miss Smith is a surgeon. Okay. A cardiologist specializes in diseases of the heart and circulation or cardiology. A pediatrician is specialist in diseases of elderly patients or pediatrics. An anesthetic is a specialist in anesthetics. Note: name of the specialist usually in ology. Name of the specialist usually in ologists. It's the name of the specialist and in ICS, the name of the specialist and in issues. There are some sections A, G, anesthetist, and anesthetist. Part C. Okay, for a minute, please. Part C. Choosing a specialty. Jill Matthew was a graduate from medical high school. He is talking about her future. I haven't decided what to specialize in yet. I need more experience before I decide, but I'm quite attracted to the idea of pediatrician because I like working with children. Incidentally, I prefer to work with the children than, say, other patients, so I don't fancy geriatrics. I was never very interested in detailed anatomy, so the surgical specialty like neurosurgery don't really appeal. You have to be good with your hands, which I wish I don't think is a problem for me. I've assisted at operations several times, and even done some minor OPS by myself. The surgeons have to be able to do the same things again and again without getting bored, like training time of good arteries and so on. I don't think that will be a problem for me, but they need to make decisions fast, and I'm not too good at that. Like I like to have time to think, which means surgery is probably not right for me. Note: the collocation good with the is followed by a noun. He's good with children. The collocation good at is followed by the ing for Jaron of a verb or by a noun. She's a good at explaining processors. She's good at explanations. Okay. Exercise 5.1. Read this. Read sentences to describe the work of the specialist in each branch of medicine. Those are real posters to help you. Okay. Number 1, dermatology. A dermatologist specializes in diseases of the skin. Number 2, rheumatology. A rheumatologist is specialized in diseases of the arthritis. The number 3 is traumatology. A traumatologist is specialized in treating of the musculoskeletal system. Number 4, pediatrics. A pediatrician specializes in diseases of the children. Number 5, obstetrics. An obstetric specializes in care babies or and their moms. Exercise 5.2. Complete the table with words from A, B, and C, opposites and relate words. Put a stress mark in front of the stressed syllable in each word. The first one has been done for you. Verse, noun, person, noun, activity, or thing. Specialist, specialist, specialist. Practice, practice, practices. Counsel, consultates, consular, assistant, assistant. Graduate, graduate, graduation, qualifier, qualification. Exercise 5.3 finds preposition in C, opposite that can be used to make word combination with the words in the box. Then use the correct form of the words to complete the sentences. Good interest specialist word. Number 1, a pathologist is specialized in diagnosing disease through examining cells and tissues. Number 2, a pediatrician must enjoy working with the children. Number 3, an oncologist is specialized in the diagnosis and treatment of cancer. A physiatrist must be good for counseling. And the number 5, a neurosurgeon must be interested to work the hard hands. Exercise 5.4. Make word combinations uses a word from each box. 2 words can be used twice. Look at A, B, and C opposite to help. Okay. Sing. And a